Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to boil the chicken. So 2 chicken drumstick. Ginger and garlic. Oyster sauce. Salt. Okay, just leave it until boil, until the chicken is cooked. I cut the chicken just now, guys. I cut it almost cooked there. Okay, already cooked. Okay, cook already. Put kicap sawi. No need too much, a bit. Okay. I'm going to cook Sawi Keriting Tumis. Stir fry the garlic with the anchovy. Sawi Keriting. Salt and aji. Water. Okay, cook ready. Now I'm going to cook prawn cooked with soy sauce. Stir fry the ginger with the garlic. Put in the prawn. Kicap manis. Kicap pekat. put water a bit. Put salt and aji. Okay, cook already. Prawn cooked with soy sauce. Boiled chicken with Sambal Kicap Sawi Keriting Tumis. This one is prawn cooked with soy sauce.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.